Yeah.
I'm Judith.
And I'm Anna.
And this is com.edu. Need help with your taxes? Free tax preparation workshop on Tuesday from 12:30 to 4. Visit the com website for a listing of what you will need to bring. I didn't even make that much. Don't miss the Com Jazz Ensemble concert.
This Tuesday, March 5th at 7:30 p.m. in the Fine Arts Recital Hall. Come compete against Com staff in the gym at 2 p.m. this Wednesday with basketball, volleyball, and yard games. Ballin'. What is love?
How do we define it?
If you want to discuss these topics, submit your abstract for the Spring Academic Symposium. Visit com.edu/symposium for more details.
Com will be closed next week for spring break. Woo! Don't come to school next week.
Peace out, my dudes.
Need help with your tax preparation? Visit the Com website for more.
Ballin'. Stupid. Come compete in la 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 la. Yeah. Okay. Com will be.
You come in.
This Tuesday, March 5th at 7:30
Ooh,
p.m.
smooth.
Is that right?
Don't miss the Com Jazz Ensemble concert. Oh.
This Tuesday, March 5th, in the
Oh, that was so good.
If you want to discuss these topics, please submit your abstract to for the. If you want to discuss these topics, please submit your abstract for the Spring.
If you want to discuss these topics, submit your abstract.
It's hard, huh?
It is hard.
Find it.
If you want to discuss these topics, submit your abstract for the Spring. I was so close.